Welcome to the discussion on consumer behavior. My name is Dr. Devipian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Here we are going to discuss consumer behavior, unit number 1, consumer behavior. This unit concerned with MCOM Part 1, Semester 2, Optional Paper 4, Business Administration, Paper 4, Functional Area of Management, like as a marketing and finance. Here we are enlightened on concept of consumer behavior, learning objective of consumer behavior, to understand the concept of consumer behavior, to know the characteristic of consumer behavior, to study importance of consumer behavior, understand consumer buying decision process, and to know the influencing factor on consumer behavior. Outline of the discussion: concept of consumer behavior, importance of consumer behavior, consumer buying decision process, and influencing factor of consumer behavior. First of all, we want to introduce this concept, consumer behavior. Why we are going to study consumer behavior? You may know consumer is king of market, and in market we may know there are different people and they have different expectation, needs, demand, choice, and as per their requirement, as per their demand, choice, we want to develop product. And for this purpose, and there may be on consumer behavior different factor also affected. It may be psychological factor, physical factor, social factor, and as a marketer or entrepreneurs, we want to understand all these factors. Then in our mind may be raised one question: what is importance of consumer behavior? Consumer, you may know, consumer is most important person in business. His attitude, behavior, need and reaction play an important role regard to marketing plan and policy of compliances. Consumer behavior is comparatively new area within the scope of business management. When we are going to discuss consumer behavior, that time we should know what is exact meaning of customer. The term customer refers to purchase of a product or services, whereas the term consumer refers to the end users of the product or services. In brief, customer means who one purchase or buying some goods and services, and consumer means those who one consume particular product, that product, it is called consumer. Then types of consumer buyers. In consumer behavior, we should know what is types of buyers. You may know in market different types of buyers. Friendly and cooperative buyer is there, silent buyer is there, then bargaining buyer is there, then slow thinking buyer is there, rude buyer is there. These are different types of buyer, and according to, as per the buyer behavior, we want to treat them and we want to provide good services to the buyers. Its main aim is we want to satisfy the consumer or customer. Then you may know marketing start with the consumer and end with the consumer. It is difficult to understand the human behavior, that is consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is a process as to how consumer make their purchase decision, and on the consumer decision there were different factors also affected, that is psychological factor, sociological factor, anthropology, economic factor, and marketing management. Then we want to understand concept of consumer behavior. According to Kotler, consumer behavior refers to the buying behavior of final consumer, individual and household who buy the goods and services for the personal consumption. Then Candif and Steele, consumer behavior is the process whereby individuals decide whether, what, when, where, how, and from whom to purchase the goods and services. From the definition, it is clear that it is process of buying decision. It is individual decision of purchase goods and services. It is individual acting of buying economic goods and services. It includes psychological, social, and physical behavior. Then characteristic of consumer behavior. From the overall discussion, we want to point out characteristic of consumer behavior. It is process of individual buying decision. It is very dynamic process. It is mental and physical activity of consumer. It is integral part of human behavior. It is basically social nature. It is very complex to understand consumer behavior, and it is combination of 5 disciplines like psychological factor, social factor, anthropology, economic, and marketing. Then we want to highlight importance of consumer behavior. Consumer behavior, when we understand consumer concept of consumer behavior, it helps to formulate production policy, pricing policy, decision regarding channel of distribution, decision regarding sales of promotion, exploitation of marketing opportunity. They highlight diversified consumer preference, rapid introduction of new product, implementation the marketing concept, result in consumer satisfaction. These are importance of consumer behavior. Then we want to point out or highlight consumer buying decision process. In consumer buying decision process, as a marketer, entrepreneur, we want to identify need and problem of consumer. Then information search, we want to conduct any survey and we want to collect information about our customer. Evaluation, we want to evaluate that information. Then we want to take, as a customer, we may take purchase decision, and after consume that product, we may give feedback. This is buying decision process of customer. In customer point of view, we may understand our needs and problem. Then we take information, what is our requirement and needs. Then we may evaluate that information. Then we take purchase decision, and finally we may give feedback. For example, suppose we want to purchase any mobile, that time we may collect information from our friends, relatives. Then we may evaluate that information, and finally we take decision, and after use of that product, mobile phone, we may give reaction, what is benefit or not. These are consumer buying decision process. Then we want to highlight influencing factor on consumer behavior. Before that, we may highlight consumer, there may be fear, profit, pride customer, fashion, curiosity, jealous customer, comfort and convenience, health, etc. Influencing factor of buying behavior, psychological factor, basic need, physiological factor, motivation, perception, learning ability. Then social factor, family, roles, status, reference group, cultural factor, personal factor, and economical factor. Personal factor include age, occupation, lifestyle, personality. Economical factor, size of family, disposable income, propensity of consumer credit, etc. Finally, we want to conclude this discussion. As a marketer, we want to understand concept of consumer behavior, because the customer is king of market, and several factors affect on consumer behavior. It may be psychological factor, physiological factor, social factor, economic factor. Then there may be decision process, means when as a consumer, when we want to purchase any product, that time we want to understand our need. Then we may collect information or evaluate that information. These are process of consumer behavior. In this concept, we may discuss concept of consumer behavior, importance of consumer behavior, consumer buying decision and influencing factor on consumer behavior. You may refer any marketing book for detailed understanding, and if you have any doubt, please contact me. My name is Dr. Divit Pian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. My mobile number 9049081926, email ID paresh84jan@redmail.com.